Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Modbus module for energy metering and EV charging, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary tools and equipment for the installation. Ensure you have a Modbus module designed for energy metering and EV charging. Check the compatibility of the Modbus module with your energy metering system. Gather a suitable power supply for the Modbus module. Ensure you have the appropriate cables for communication and power connections. Prepare the installation site by turning off any connected power sources. Mount the Modbus module securely in the designated location. Connect the power supply to the Modbus module according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, connect the communication cables to the Modbus module. Identify the correct terminals for communication based on the wiring diagram. Connect the other end of the communication cables to your energy metering device. Make sure the connections are secure to prevent communication issues. Now, locate the settings or configuration area on the Modbus module. Use the manufacturer's software or a compatible application to configure the Modbus settings. Set the correct communication parameters such as baud rate, parity, and data bits. Adjust the settings in the energy metering device to accommodate the new Modbus module. Once configured, power on the Modbus module and the energy metering device. Monitor the status indicators on the Modbus module to ensure it is functioning correctly. Use diagnostic tools to verify communication between the Modbus module and the energy metering device. Check for any error messages or warning lights during the initial startup. If necessary, troubleshoot any connection issues by verifying all wiring and config. Once confirmed, proceed to connect the EV charger to the Modbus network. Install the EV charger according to its manual, ensuring it is compatible with the Modbus setup. Power on the EV charger and observe its interaction with the Modbus module. Make any final adjustments to ensure optimal communication and performance. Document your installation process and settings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.